where that's taken me. You know what? That's going basically just where I've come from, isn't it? That's literally basically going where I've just come from, so there's no point in doing that. Alright, back again. Okay. Well, it's been a bit of a successful trip, I suppose, today. I knew it was going to be a bit of a labyrinth of, you know, places already sort of cut off. I think, you know, just playing it sensible today and not really going for well, you know, you can tell I've already been caught out a few times today just by trying to get through a bit of muddy stuff or trying to go up any kind of incline. Problem is, as you know, again, it's these, don't want to keep on harping on about it, but the road tyres just don't do you any favours, really, when you want to do this kind of stuff. Absolutely fine, you go anything. The only problem is you could easily pick up a puncture, of course. So I'm already riding with a punch in my front tyre anyway. Luckily, well, it's plugged up, but luckily I've got sensors, tyre pressure sensors anyway, so that, you know, that helps out a lot. Right, hold on, now where am I going now? Okay, where does this go? Okay, I don't know this place, so this might be a bit tricky, this one. It's not actually on. Whoa, whoa. Do you know what? Got it. Gonna get your feet wet, gotta get your feet wet. Well, there you go, that says it all, doesn't it? That was right up to the engine. Okay. Straight over there, you can see I just kept the power on. Make sure the engine didn't cuck out and just got the momentum, kept it going. Well, I think a bath is in order when I get home anyway. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Oh, here we go. So let's go to the edge. Let's see. I might drop in here, but not too bad actually. Too bad. Again, it's just dirty water. I just can't see the bottom of it, so. Could argue that last little bit I did was exactly the same, but you know, I was kind of committed there. There's no way I was going to be able to push the bike back. Then that's the problem with this bike. It's just, again, I mean, that's for serious off-road, I suppose, which I am kind of doing now. It's just too heavy. So if you get yourself in a bit of a bind, then you need to just, you know what, lift the bike out, actually lift it and turn it around. It is just too heavy for it. Well, you need to be built like Popeye just to bloody, you know, do anything anywhere nearly remotely feasible, you know, like picking it up and stuff. Alright. Okay, so I'm on a byway here, which is fine, but there's another one byway paralleling me going the opposite way, so I don't know where that is. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's a good bloody workout, that's for sure. Talk about, you know, riding fit. I mean, this is what you're going to do. There we go. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, oh yeah.